and a safe journey home. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. So now, hello po, good evening po. Ayan, dadako na po tayo ngayon sa ating talkback session. Hello po!
Ayan, okay lang po ba kayo sa inyong mga pinaupuan? Ayan, so bago po tayo magsimula, we would like to acknowledge lang yung mga creative and brilliant minds din po behind this Bangaw. Kasama po natin ngayong gabi ang writer po ng Bangaw, Miss Gold Villarlin. Bigyan naman po natin siya ng masigawang palakpakan. And you're also accompanied po na ang musical director, Sir Vince Lim. Ayun po. And one of our choreographers, Mr. Joseph Torres. Ayun, sa taas. Ayun po.
And also, we would like to introduce ourselves before anything else. I am Irish Jane L. Oliveros, the Public Relations Head of FTG Bangaw.
And I am Edward Madalan, the marketing head of FU Theater Guild. So ayan, before we start po, we would like to invite to the stage our principal cast. So, andyan po ba sila Raph, Tabex, and Josh?
Habang hinintay po natin sila, I'd like to acknowledge din po ang ating mga media partners as well as the content creators and also ang ating mga student artists from the others university. Ayan po.
Ayan po, so introduce ko lang po sila. We have here Josh Yansolvo as Raph, and Jared Villalobos as Tabex, and Aldin Covarrubias as Jack. Palakpakan naman natin sila.
From creative staff, also part of and some cast, we have our dramaturg, Helena Lee. Our production manager, Marge Uswan. And our artistic head, Kristan Arbigaso. Alright, okay, habang hinihintay po natin si Sir Kristan, pwede na po tayo mag-start for our talkback session na pwede pong from this area or dito po. Okay
Ayan
na po.
po, mag-raise na lang po tayo ng hand if we have questions.